Piątkowo is a part of the city of Poznań in western Poland. It consists mainly of large estates of blocks of flats, built from the late 1970s onwards. Piątkowo is situated in the northern part of the city, north of Winogrady, and south of the less intensively developed neighbourhood of Morasko. Piątkowo is the name given to one of the 42 osiedles into which Poznań is divided, although this does not cover the whole of the area generally referred to as Piątkowo. For more details, see Administrative Division of Poznań. History. The first written mention of Piątkowo is found in the founding charter of the city of Poznań, where Piątkowo is listed among the villages to which the new city was granted rights. In 1283 the village of Piątkowo was granted to a Dominican convent founded in Poznań by Duke Przemysl. It remained the property of the convent until the latter's abolition under Prussian rule in 1822. In the second half of the 19th century, building by German settlers took place, encouraged by the Prussian Settlement Commission. This occurred mainly around the area of today's Obornica, the main road leading to Oborniki, which lies to the extreme west of today's Piątkowo district. The German name for the village was Schönhausen. A school was built. When the area returned to Poland after the First World War, many of the properties were bought by Poles. In 1934 Piątkowo was made the seat of a gmina, which existed until 1954. It was brought within the city boundaries in 1974, and building of the large housing estates to the east of the old village began in 1976. Piątkowo today consists mainly of large estates of apartment blocks, mostly built from prefabricated concrete panels from 1976 onwards. They house more than 47,000 people, about 8% of the city's population. The estates are named after Polish kings. The largest one is called osiedle Bolesław-Krobrego. To the north of this is osiedle Jana of 3 Sobieski-Agard, to the northeast is osiedle Stefana Batoregard, to the east is osiedle Bolesław-Milego, and further to the east is osiedle Władysława Lokiedka. There are also smaller estates to the west and north of Krobrego called osiedle Władysława Jagielli and osiedle Zygmunta Starego. West of osiedle Sobieskiego is osiedle Marysienki, an estate of small houses. Poznań's broadcasting towers are at the northwest corner of osiedle Krobrego. The boundary between Piątkowo and Winogrady is the street Lechika, a main east-west transit route through Poznań. The plaza and Pestka shopping and entertainment complexes are located on the south side of this street. A railway line runs along Piątkowo's northern edge. An area of woodland, popular for recreation, is situated to the northeast of the estates. The Poznań fast tram route connects Piątkowo with Winogrady and the city centre. It terminates at osiedle Sobieski-Agard, where there is also a bus station. The PSM cooperative building of the estates was carried out under the auspices of the PSM Housing Cooperative, which had been founded in 1948, and was also responsible for the similar development of the Winogrady estates. In 1983 the entity was split, a separate cooperative being created for Winogrady, with PSM itself taking responsibility solely for Piątkowo. The cooperative now has its headquarters on osiedle Krobrego, has around 21,000 members, and continues to administer most of the blocks and infrastructure of the Piątkowo estates.